Beef.
Beef.
Yeah, beef.
I like eat beef.
Yeah. Yes. I like steak.
I like steak.
Yes. Banana.
Banana.
Yeah, banana.
Banana.
Yeah. Eggplant.
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 Plant.
Eggplant.
Eggplant.
Yeah, eggplant.
Eggplant.
Yes. Green beans.
Green bean.
Yeah, green.
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 Yeah, beans.
Bean.
Green beans.
Green beans.
Green
Green
beans.
beans.
Green beans.
Green beans.
Green.
Green.
Green
Green
beans.
beans.
Green beans.
Green beans.
Yes. Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Yes. Mango.
Mango.
Mang.
Man.
Not Maine. Mang.
Man.
Not Maine. Manga.
Man.
Mango.
Mango. Mango.
Yes.
Mango.
Mango. Yes.
Mango.
Yes. Air pear. Pear.
Air pear.
A pear.
A pear.
Yes. Grape.
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 Yes. Very good. Beach.
Beach.
Yeah, beach.
Beach.
Yes. Basket.
Basket.
Yeah, basket.
Basket.
Yes. Bakery.
Bakery.
Yeah, bakery.
Bakery.
Yes. Tea, please.
Tea, please.
Very good. Yes. Do you have coffee or tea?
Do you have coffee or tea?
Yeah. So, do you have coffee or tea?
Do you have coffee or tea?
Yes, very good. How many kids do you have?
How many kids you have?
You have? How many kids do you have?
How many kids do you have?
Yes.
How many kids do you have?
Yeah. How many kids do you have?
How many kids do you have?
Yes. Apartment.
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 It's close. Yeah, very, very, very close. Apartment.
Apartment.
Yes. Do you want
Do you want
coffee
coffee
or tea?
or tea?
Do you want coffee or tea?
Do you want coffee or tea?
All right, guys, that's going to be it for this week's video. If you liked it, please make sure you hit like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you leave me a comment about any words in the video that were really hard for you or any words that you'd like to see in a future video. Have a fantastic week, and I'll look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.